You are watching Faheem Shaheen. Learn and talk English. Vegetables name. Let's go. Green chili, eggplant, pumpkin, red cabbage, potato, radish, corn, bell pepper, broccoli, red chili, celery, turnip, cauliflower, white cabbage, carrot. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.